Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Cherry here from Homely Chart. Welcome to today Homely Cherry, the market conclusion. And today our topic is for Ifast, this kind of strong share. It used 19 days rise 214% already. And will it continue rising, continue hit new high? And we have a lot of this kind of strong shares in Singapore, Malaysia, and the Hong Kong market, and how to do for retail investor. Okay. So here, this is our disclaimer. This video is only my personal view with a homely chart analysis. All the cases here is not for recommendations, and every one of us we should be responsible for our own trading. First, let's look at the index. This one is Singapore market, the STI. So from STI, from the trend, we see the white line enough is turning down, means the primary trend, the big trend is still bearish down, and the blue line is mid long term also turning down, the yellow line mid short term also turning down. So for STI, currently the short term, mid term, long term all is bearish down. And the support level is around 2480, the important support level 2480. Recently, 4 days already, the close price below this level. If continue drop, the next support level, it will test 2380. And currently, we see after June 9, the red bar continues smaller and smaller. Now disappear already. So means the big fish continue flowing out, and currently it's the yellow bar, the hot money play, here. So the price just sideways, and currently we see the green bar more than 50% already. If the green bar more than 50%, so it means a lot of retail investors locked here already. Maybe you think it dropped so many years and dropped so much already, you just want to catch bottom. But the thing is, after you bought, it will continue hit new low, and nobody knows how low it will go. This is the STI. From trend, all trend is bearish down. From money flow, and the most part, yellow bar, the hot money play here, no big fish yet. And for Malaysian market, currently the support level is 1475. The resistance level is 1615. The price in the past 4 months, the price just sideways between these two levels. And from July 14 until now, also more than 2 months already, the red bar break down purple line, and the purple line turning down, so it means the big fish continue flowing out. And now also the yellow bar, the hot money play here, so the price just sideways around the rainbow lines. We just wait for its true direction. Between these two levels, we can consider buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. We make some short-term profit, no problem. But for strong shares, if we want make big money, we must look at the strong shares, big, safe, and big profits. This one is the Hong Kong market, and in the past 1 week, continue drop much already. It break down the 24,300 support level, and now testing 23,010 support level. So if this support level works, it will sideways inside these two levels. This is from the trend, but above all the rainbow line, the short term, mid term, long term, all will be our resistance. Resistance means every time the price rebound to the resistance level, hit the resistance, and we can consider decrease position, or we can consider sell first. Every time after the rebound hit the resistance, it will pull back more, it will drop further. Okay, this is from the trend. From the money flow, we see from July 7 until now, the red bar also smaller and smaller. The big money continue flowing out. The green bar continue rising, now more than 75% already. So means a lot of retail investors locked here. So you see, the market changed already. We must learn the most advanced technology. We must know how the banker moves. The banker flow in, the big money flowing out. if the big money continue flowing out, the price no power to rise, it will definitely sideways or pull back. This is the index. And we look at the sector index. This one is the Singapore sector. Today, most sectors rising except the energy sector. Energy sector dropped 0.08%, drop a bit. So if we want look at some individual share to make some quick money, we can look at the previous sectors, just like the industrial sector, consumer sector, information technology sector, all no problem. Have many individual shares to big rise to make some profits. And for Malaysia market, nearly half. The first sector, the best one is material, it rise 2.14%. The second one is the healthcare sector, rising 1.6%. So for Supermax, Top Glove, and also have some kind of rise. So this is a Malaysia market. And for Hong Kong sector index, only 3 sectors rising, all the other sectors drop today. Telecommunication rise 0.76%, utilities rise 0.65%, material rise 0.29%, and also we can look the individual shares under these 3 sectors. We have more higher probability to make profits. And then let's look at some individual share. This is a Singapore individual share, Ifast. It stands for one kind of the strong shares. If for any share, for any market, no matter US or Asia, no matter bullish market or bad risk market, if the individual share, the index can meet these 2 conditions, and then it will be strong. The first one, price, the candlestick, price stand above all the rainbow lines. So it means short-term, mid-term, long-term, all the rainbow lines will be our support level. And the second, the red bar more than 50%. The red bar means the big fish, the institutional money. So if the red bar continue rising, means the big money continue flowing, and also the price have more power to rise more. See, the red bar reaches to 25%. If the red bar below 25, it means the banker just collect the chips and just testing. They never build the position. If the red bar can reach to 25%, means the banker began to build the position. After that, it will have the chance to big rise. If the red bar can reach to 50%, means the banker build the position already, and afterwards it will have big rise. Okay, so the red bar reached to 25% and also break up purple line. The purple line turn up. The price stand above the blue bottom catch signal. It's around 80 cents. We can consider buy some open position. But the safe buy point is here around $1. The price stand above all the rainbow lines, and also the red bar reach to 50%, so it means the banker, the big fish, build the position already, and afterwards we have safe chance and a big chance to make 100% profits. See, if we missed this buy point also, it doesn't matter. It will give us many chances to enter again. See, every time the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, it all will be our chance to enter again, to add position, to buy more, no problem. It will continue hit new high and rise more. Okay, 90 cents, 90 days, 90 trading days, our profit is 214% already. But after that, it will have some short-term correction. For any banker, it have 2 ways to shake the retail investor out of the market. One way is like this, long-term sideways. More than 1 month, 2 months, not moving, just sleeping here. So most retail investors cannot stand. You will sell, you will out, but after you sold, the price will rock it up again. This is one way. Another way is a short-term big drop. See, 3 days, 4 days, it dropped more than 20%. And most retail investors will be scared and also will act will left here, and after you sold, the price will continue rise again. So this is the two ways for banker, for big fish to shake the retail investors out of the market. But if the red bar still above 50% and the price still stand above all the rainbow lines or stand above the green line, so it means the share still have life. After correction, after the rest, it will continue rise again. As strong share, it will be stronger. This one is another Meditech. So the same pattern, the price stand above all the rainbow lines and the red bar above 50%. So the red bar break up purple line and the purple line turn up. Our best interpoint is around 9 cents. 9 cents. So afterwards, every time the short-term pullback, short-term correction finish, short-term pullback finish, it will continue hit new high and rise more. And now we have some correction not finished yet, as currently the price, the candlestick still inside the rainbow lines, not stand above all the rainbow lines yet. And also the red bar still below purple line, not break up purple line. Only when the price stand above all the rainbow lines. See, today close is 122. The first rainbow line resistance is around 137. So if the close price can stand above 137 and also the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance for Meditech. This one is Malaysia market top glove. This also the same pattern, but recently the past one month it continues sideways here around the yellow lines. These 2 days, the close price stand above the yellow line again. See, if the price can break up the previous high, 1, 2, 3 times testing or fail. If the close price can stand above the previous high resistance and also the red bar continue rising, so we will have another chance again. Okay, this is another share. Is UWC, also Malaysia market, the same pattern. As this is the new share, so don't have the white line yet. White line tell us the long-term trend. So if no white line, we can follow the blue line. The blue line can tell us the mid-term and the long-term. So currently, the mid-term still have support. The price have some short-term correction, and if the close price can stand above all the rainbow lines again, and also the red bar break up purple line, we will have another chance. Not just wait for the correction finish. Hong Kong market, Xiaomi, the same pattern. Xiaomi currently, the red bar break down purple line, the price is around $23.90. We can consider short-term take profit. And the red bar break up purple line. See, if we do short-term trading, short-term here we does not mean the intraday. From technical analysis, we said short-term is 6 to 10 days. See, if the red bar break up purple line, we can consider short-term buy. If the red bar break down purple line, we can consider short-term sell, take profit. So this is our short-term profits. Every week works. But after the red bar break down purple line until today, the red bar continues smaller and smaller. The purple line still turning down, so it means it will continue the correction, not finished yet. And the yellow line, the last yellow line is around $19. Today close is $19.72. So if the close price still above $19, we can still wait and see for mid long-term investment. If the close price break down the $19, so better after first. So it may have more correction and a bigger correction. We just wait the big fish come back again. Just see the red bar break up purple line, or the price stand above all the rainbow lines again. It will be our another chance. Okay. Haidilao, also the same pattern. The price stand above all the rainbow lines, so it means short-term, mid-term, long-term all have support, and the mid-long-term trend, no problem. So every time after the short-term correction finish, we can consider again. We will be another chance again. And currently, the red bar still above 50%, and the price still above the green lifeline. So it means still have life. For Haidilao, it still have life. Today close is $54. And the green line is around 52.50. So if the close still above $52.50, it means this share still have life. It will continue rising after the short-term correction finish. We just see when the red bar can bigger or break up the purple line, and the better the close price stand above all the red lines, it will be our another chance to consider again. Okay, so this is today our pattern. Even rise a lot already, but it doesn't matter. It will continue after the short-term correction finish. Next Thursday, October the 1st, it will be mid-autumn day. So here, say happy mid-autumn day to everyone first. And tomorrow, this is the last weekend before mid-autumn day. So tomorrow talks, it is mid-autumn day special talk. Tomorrow morning, 10:30 to 12 is English talk given by our most popular teacher in Southeast Asia, the best trading system for retail investors. See, this is a free one. If we want to attend, it's a free registration. We just WhatsApp your name to 96469682. So tomorrow before the class begins, we will send you the room ID and the password. You just log in and then can attend. Teacher John is very familiar. He go to Canada, Thailand, and Malaysia, go to many countries, give lecture, very popular. And tomorrow afternoon, 2 to 4 p.m. is Chinese talk given by Teacher Robert. Teacher Robert also very famous, and also he is one of the teams who designed the homily chart. So also very famous, very popular. Tomorrow, 2 to 4 p.m. is Chinese talk, but if we can understand the basic Chinese, we can all attend. So after U.S. market, after 3 weeks correction, which is our best choice? What is our best choice? So tomorrow 2 to 4 p.m. Teacher Robert will give us lecture. This one also free registration. If we want to attend, or if having any friends want to attend, just WhatsApp your name to 96469682. So before class, we will send you the room ID and the password. We just online to attend. It will do. So today our topic will finish here, and have a nice weekend. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.